start with our calves, my favorite, because number one, they're adorable. They are so cute.
Is a total mixed ration, or a TMR. So it's a bunch of different ingredients mixed together. And on the table here, I have those different ingredients.
Not too long ago, this was actually manure right out of a cow, and now look how soft it is. And actually, the funny thing is it doesn't even smell necessarily like manure.
Our cows right now give about 90 pounds of milk every day. So that's one cow. 90 pounds is about 10 gallons of milk.